Today in class, we were working on making both sides of an equation true by finding the missing number or finding a missing symbol like addition, subtraction, or equal sign. So on the first page of the homework tonight, 1, 2, and 3, they are only finding numbers. They're not having them find the symbols. We worked on that in class. If you look at number 1, the first thing the student should look at is what's missing and which side of the equal sign that's on. And then they need to figure out what the sum is supposed to be. So then they're going to look at the side, which has 7 plus 8, and they need to solve that. So 7 plus 8, when you put them together, their sum is 15. So they can write that on the first line. So if they know that side's 15, in order for it to be equal, the other side has to be 15. So they need to think, what do they need in this box here that will equal 15? So something minus 0 is going to be 15. And we know that that would be 15. Take away 0 would be 15. So 15 would be the missing number. So for number 2, same thing. They need to solve for 6 plus 4 first and write it here, and then find the missing number that would make both sides equal. Same thing for number 3. Solve 8 plus 5. I'm sorry, 8 minus 5. We've got some minus signs there. There's also a subtraction sign there. And they need to figure out what number's missing to make both sides equal. If we flip it over, this side was just a little bit more complicated, not because of the math so much, but of where to find the information. If you look at the very, very top, in the blue word that says checkers, that is where you're going to get most of your information for both 4 and 5. Up top it says James and Amy played 12 games of checkers last week. This week, they played 7 on Monday and 2 on Wednesday. So for number 4, it says James and Amy played 3 more games. They have played the same number of games as last week. So they need to look at this week, which was 7 and 2. And they need to figure out if they've played 3 more games this week, how many would they have? So here are our numbers here. There's the 7. Plus the 2, plus the 3 more they played. 7 plus 2 plus 3 is going to equal 12. And we have a 12 on this side. That was their total number of games last week. So the symbol that will be missing is an equal sign, because 12 from the last week is the same as the 12 from this week. And it says, explain how you chose the symbols. What I had the students do is just kind of restate the problem. I know that this is true because 7 plus 2 plus 3 equals 12, and I know that 12 is the same as 12. So you write something along those lines. And then number 5, Amy lost 4 of the games she played last week. Well, up at the top, it says Amy played 12 games. So if she played 12 games, but she lost 4 of them, I would like to know how many games she actually did win. So that's just a simple subtraction problem. And then it just says, use math language to explain how you know your equation and answer are correct. So again, I just had the students restate the math problem. I know this is true because 12 take away 4 is 8. She won 8 games. If you have any questions, just let me know, email me, or give me a call. Have a good night.